Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to access Zoho Books in 2025, the full guide to get you logged in, exploring your dashboard, and connecting your favorite apps quickly and safely. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just starting out, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with Zoho Books without any hassle. Let's dive in. First, open any browser you like and search for Zoho Books. Click on the official site and land on the home page. It's that simple to get started. Next, we need to sign in. Look at the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Zoho makes it easy to recover it. Pro tip: use a password manager to store your login details securely so you never get locked out. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the home and dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your income, expenses, and invoices all in one place. Spend just a minute or two here, and you'll instantly understand your financial health at a glance. Now, let's customize your Zoho Books experience. Click on Settings in the top right corner, then go to Zoho Apps. Here, you'll find a variety of integrations that can sync Zoho Books with tools you already use. Think payment gateways, CRM systems, or productivity apps. You can also click Connect to link additional apps if needed. My advice? Only connect what you really need to keep things organized and simple. Remember, the key to mastering Zoho Books is being prepared and exploring a little every day. Keep your login details ready, spend a couple of minutes exploring your dashboard, and check out the integrations that can save you time and effort. And that's it. You're now ready to access Zoho Books, monitor your finances, and make the most of its powerful integrations. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.